Hi guys, good morning. How are you today? Fine? Very good. Okay guys, today we are going to learn new vocabulary, okay? And the vocabulary is farm animals babies. That's why I have a guess right here, okay? Can you guess the name of this baby animal? No? Yes? Okay, let's start. Remember, farm, animals, babies. Ready? The first one is foal. Foal. Kid. Kid. Chick. Chick. Calf. Calf. Duckling. Duckling. And the last one is lamb. Lamb. Okay, so maybe you already know what's the name of this baby animal. Okay, and the name is calf. Calf. Okay, let's repeat it one more time. Lamb. Lamb. Duckling. Duckling. Calf. Calf. Chick. Chick. Kid. Kid. The last one. Full. Full. Very good. Now, it's your turn to do it. Are you ready? Are you ready? Very good. Okay, the first one. Lamb. Very good. The next one. Full. Excellent. Kid. Very good. Chic. Excellent. Okay, we have a few more. Calf. Very good. The last one. Duckling. Excellent. Great job. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.